humanity today feels the creator or the force of connection as a crisis. So with what we can give them if we connect is that it won't feel like a crisis, that it won't feel like something bad. Yeah?
I didn't understand.
How the creator works today towards humanity, it feels like a crisis. It feels like a rejection. There's frictions between portions of human society. Like we said, what do we need to do so that the power of connection we bring them won't be felt as a crisis as well, rather they'll see it as a good thing and want to connect with us?
We need to explain to them that the salvation is in connection above the crisis. And then when they decide to connect this way, they'll get help from the upper force. Additionally, we need to understand that concerning today, we will feel how various forces awaken, various departments and portions that belong to religions, faith, various kinds of religions. Because it will also influence them. They will feel that they are losing their stability, their strength. Then humanity will feel a threat from various such groups and forces. So we need to be cautious. Simply know about it, not to meddle for nothing. But all the forces or powers from all religions, they will also feel that the ground, the foundation, is gradually disappearing. Consequently, we'll feel it in their behavior, just like now when we see it. It's not for nothing that we're getting all these disturbances, the government, the people. It's in order to strengthen them.
But doesn't it lead the person, even more to, if he sees that there's a crisis outside and a crisis inside of him, then it causes him to choose a group that he can, get along with for today.
A group where you can take care of yourself is a fearless group that goes and presents itself as determined. And that's what we're trying to do. That's what they're trying to do. That strengthens them. That's always like that. They would build political parties, movements. When during times of weakness, they would organize an attack.
So how will the person lose control of this one thing, that gives him confidence still? Like the friends in Italy just told us, why will a person go to connection and not other things?
No, there's still ways to go until the connection. I'm explaining to you the general picture. There's a difference between how it's going to be in Italy and how it is in Italy or in Turkey or France. We have protests and riots and different things, but each place has it different. One cause, but nevertheless the changes are a little different. We'll talk about it. Today I just want to give you the general direction that is happening now.
What should we be preparing in the meantime?
We need to prepare our unity, connection between us, and dissemination to all the audiences as much as possible. But the main thing is the connection between us.